Okay, so we're kind of at this place. There's a Caravel Hotel. Both scooters are coming around, and I'm kind of in the middle of the road, but I'm going to be going down that road. So we're going to try to get out of the middle of the road. Okay, so that's going to be our focus. I've got some kind of cool stuff everywhere around here as well, so it's kind of why I want to stand there. But okay, let's do this street right here. It's called the new commercial street. It's called. So that's going to be our focus. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, is it safe to walk down the street now? Sheesh. Actually, there's some kind of cool stuff. Like, actually, this is going to be our focus right here. But there are some really cool stuff. Wow, there's like so many scooters here. This is called Rua de Guimarães. It's not our target street, but they put some money into making these like colorful. So you can kind of see that they have, you know, pink, yellow, red, blue. I don't know how well the color's coming out in here. But this is in Guimarães Street. But we're going to try to stay on our focus street. And our focus street is, of course, this one, Rua Novo do Comercio. Got all kinds of cool stuff everywhere, including that. It's like a really old style. That right there is a hotel, and I love that really narrow part. So we started out at a really good area of the street, and we're gonna walk all the way down the street. And at the end, it's there's a special thing going on today. They made the main street into a pedestrian street. So you'll see that at the end of this one. And I'm actually kind of watching to see, because they might make that permanent, that street into a permanent street. And if they do, then what will happen is it'll transform all the streets in this whole area. Let's see, Long Tong. I wonder what that is. It's like a little. Let's see what that is. I think it's. Okay. These are like bubble tea products. So that line is for that. Okay, so we're still here on Rua Nova do Comercio. Got a lot of cars blocking other vehicles, so that's actually good for us until that happens. So we're still on our target street here. These are our little market here. Okay, so this is called Fruitful Dating. So I guess it's a place you bring your date. You got ribeye steak, avocado chicken, angel hair pasta, Boston lobster burger. Boston lobster, wow, okay. Pumpkin crab. Okay, so now we're kind of stuck on this narrow little sidewalk. So we're going to try to get across here a little bit. Yeah, this street is kind of like a lot of delivery stuff everywhere. Let's see what else we got in here. It's kind of a cool little mechanic shop right there. That goes down towards a little park. That's our target street. That's upon 16, so we're kind of near the waterfront. And we're just going to keep on going down. We got a really cool building coming up here. This green building has always been one of my favorite buildings in Macau. So we're going to check that out in a moment. And then that one is pretty close to this commercial, the pedestrian street. That's this kind of, they're doing a pilot to see how popular it would be. And actually it looks pretty popular. Yeah, this green building I think used to be a hotel historically. It's just such a cool building, especially when we get to the front here. So we are going to be going that way in a moment. Doing some work over that side as well. So here we are, and that's the pedestrian street up there. And then that's that really cool building right there. Yeah, that's beautiful. So they made this into a, it says mocha, and then I think inside it's kind of a casino. So but this was our Target Street right there. So that's the hotel from our Target Street. And we're also going to catch it from this angle as well. Such a beautiful building. But I went in there once, and it's actually really tragic the way they designed it, because this looks like it used to be like a beautiful hotel with, you know, rooms that had balconies and things like that. But when I went inside, they basically they put like darkness in there, so there's no light that comes in, and it's just all for gambling. And it's kind of like a really low end casino venue. I think it's low end. But anyways, they don't have any natural lighting in there. It's just so it's actually a little bit tragic, but it's such a cool building, especially those windows. But anyways, say goodbye to that. And let's say hello to our pedestrian street here. Okay. So this whole street is pedestrian street now. So you got this little thing set up, you got people taking photos, and you got all that. You got those giant clouds everywhere. Just a little while ago they had some dancers here for photography. So yeah, this little spot was just this little thing right there on that street. Pond 16 is the giant like waterfront area. Okay, so I'm just setting something up with a red carpet there. I'm just gonna walk down just a tiny little ways and just kind of see, just to give you a little taste of what's going on here. And actually, I think if they continue doing this, it could really change the city. Got these beautiful clouds. People taking photos everywhere. Okay. Yeah, I think it'll bring people down to different stuff, and who knows, that little green building of that casino could turn into something totally different. Like more money could pump in, and it could turn into like a restaurant. Would be amazing in that spot. Okay, especially utilizing that balcony. Anyways, I guess we're gonna end it right here. So, okay, hope you like this one. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.